just an overgrown cow with an ingrown tail and one hoof on the plow, and your head in a pail, and you're calling to me, but I can't understand what you say. 'Cause I'm scraping by on a featherless wing and an ounce of watered down gasoline, and I'm hungry, but I'll just have to stay that way. And just say my name and I'll never be the same. And if you want me to, I will come with you all the way, and not just for the day. It's better this way. So don't worry too much or try too hard. If you just shut up, I might let down my guard.